Zo gezellig, hè?
We gaan iets uit Grease doen. Dat nummer komt bijna helemaal aan het einde van de musical.
Ja, dat, hoe heet zij ook weer?
Rizzo was
Rizzo,
dat.
ja.
Rizzo zingt dat nummer. Altijd
Rizzo.
een mooi nummer gevonden. Ik denk, die ga ik ooit nog eens doen. En de rest vond het ook leuk, dus bij deze. There are worse things I could do than go with a boy or two. Even though the neighborhood thinks I'm trashy and no good, I suppose it could be true. But there are worse things I could do. I could flirt with all the guys, smile at them and bet my eyes, press against them when we dance, make them think they stand a chance, then refuse to see it through. That's a thing I'd never do. I could stay home every night, wait around for Mr. Right, take cold showers every day, and throw my life away on a dream that won't come true. I could hurt someone like me out of spite or jealousy. I don't steal and I don't lie, but I can feel and I can cry. In fact, I'll bet you never knew. But you cry